Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is July 29th, 2023. This is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the S&P 500 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please get advice from your financial advisor, your significant other, and see if trading is something that is actually suitable for you. All right, take a quick look here at the quarter. What I see on the quarter on the SPY is green, 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 green. We had an R1. We are probably going to break that by the end of the quarter. I kind of expect. Will we make all-time highs by the end of the quarter? I'm not sure, but that's where we're heading based on what I see. That's the big picture. All right, but let's go ahead and zoom on in a little bit here right away and take a look and see what's going on. And I will start with the quarterly chart. As I say, we're fighting at an R1. We only had a couple more days at the end of this month. So, but in the quarter, we're just at the beginning of the quarter. This quarter started out really strong. So, will we break? My thing is, will we break this high by the end of the quarter and well before the end of the year? Christmas rally will be well above this area by the time we get there. Don't know. But based on what I'm seeing, this market is really strong and tearing right through that stuff. And as you can see, this is my 10 and 50. The 10, we're bullish. We're definitely a bull market and all. But we just got to wait and see what's going to happen here on the longer term. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the monthly. And on the monthly, it's the one where they used as above the 10 bullish, below the 10 bearish. As you can see, and the big thing right now in my eyes is seeing that we are above this area right here. Now all we're doing is fighting this one candle right here. So that's why I'm kind of looking. We're at 456. This is 479. We're a little over $20 away of actually breaking all-time highs. This first month here, we moved probably over $20 on this in this first month here. This is really huge, and the way we've been moving the last couple of months, the last month also, that's why I'm saying this market is really strong. Breaking this is what we see, but you have to be careful, just play by your plan, play by your rules and all, and make sure you manage your trades according to what your rules and your plan tell you to do. All right, but let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly, because it is getting close to management zone. On the weekly chart, the week was, again, a pretty good week, a green week. We finished green. We actually got above an R1. This is usually a monthly R1 on the weekly charts and all. So it looked like we're actually going to be attacking at we're at the end of the month. So we're not going to break an R2 unless something really goes crazy in the next couple of days. But we are on that steady uptrend. And like I say, you can still hear on the weekly chart how we are above this area here right now, back over here, where this market made this kind of move up and down. We are above that now. So that's why I'm saying this here's our all-time high. We're looking to break that. Will it be next month? Don't know. That's what I'm looking at, though. Let's look at the daily noise. This is why I call it the daily noise. That's why if you're a long-term trader, that's the way you probably should look at this. You had this crazy thing. I guess the Feds some news. It's always when you see stuff like this, it's some news gapping, some news dropping. But on the bigger picture, as we just was looking at, the market is still in a strong uptrend. Even though when this thing came down, it came down to a point, if you use pivots, to a point where you would expect to come down to. These are your weekly pivots on a daily chart. It came right down to pivot and bounced and ended up almost closing above it on that day. But again, started off the week above pivot. It stayed above pivot. One of my basic rules and all that I look for some of my strategies and some of my trading plans and all. But as we can see right now, we have I call it an inside day, a bullish inside day on a red candle. So now the question is, will we break this top? And I kind of expect us to break this top, and I'll hear we might even break it in the next couple of days. So, but no trade recommendation there. But the way this market has been going, as you see, they shook this stuff right off. What the Feds came out and then noticed the next day. So that's what I see. I hope you guys did great this past week. It was a great week, even though we had this big red candle. You can see, you never know. Again, sell, 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 sell when you get these kind of crazy pops anyway. Take your profit, and look for a nice place to get back in. No trade recommendation there, just an observation of the market and what happens here time and time and time again, based on this direction. That's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Like I said, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.